Yesterday I posted a trade on LinkedIn, an NZD/USD long trade. I took this trade because price was at WS1 support, and we had further support, if we take a look at the chart, on the H4 time frame. There we go. Let's have a look at this. So we had support here, and we had some more support here. So this always looked like a good bet for a long trade. And as you can see, that the price has now progressed. We are $57 ahead, which represents 50 pips or so. So we want to lock in our profit at this point, and we do this by placing our stop, or moving our stop from where we set it below WS1 to this swing low here. So with the stochastic moving, crossing over and moving north, with RSI in average territory and moving higher, this target of WPP looks well reachable. It will have to get through the 200 EMA, which may stop it, but I'm quite hopeful that this trade will reach this target. When it does reach here, there is resistance here and here, so it's likely to be a battle for the bulls to push higher than WPP. But should it get through this level, we can expect it to reach WR1 and this area of further resistance. So that's this trade. That's how you set your stop once you've to lock in your profit. And I'll add to this video as and when we see the price reach these higher grounds. Right, just returning to this NZD/USD long trade. As you can see, it's now 1:30 and price has moved steadily north so far this morning, and we've now reached the 200 EMA. Now the bears would appear not to be in control of this market because they've failed to push the price down from the 200, which suggests that the bulls are still in control. As a consequence, I've moved the take profit on this trade now to WR1, and what I'm going to do, if we look at the M30 time frame and the M15 time frame, the second method I use for setting stops, previously our stop was here underneath this swing low. What I'm going to do now is move the stop under the 200 on the M15. So as the hopefully the price heads north, the MA will move with it, and I can move the stop permanently under the 200. And if we get a break of the 200, of course this trade will close. So currently we're 40 pips, 39.7 pips ahead, and signs are that there's the bulls have got control of this price, of this pair, and should be able to push the price higher if they can break this key pivot level at WPP. So if that happens, I'll jump back on the mine. All the indicators that I use to trade, including my RKD Disciplindicator, which is what you're seeing here, are free. I'm going to give them all away. All the indicators that I use, plus my manual on how I trade, and all these are absolutely free. All you have to do is leave your email address in the comments below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll send you a copy of all these indicators. This indicator alone, my RKD Disciplindicator, I have sold in the past for around about £95. Just to run through how useful this indicator is, you can set up to 30 different charts, and it supports gold and other commodities, and it gives you a snapshot of the price. Rather than going through each currency pair, you can just check out the state of the market at a glance. So here we have the symbols that you're using, the current price, the proximity to various pivot levels, WS2, WS1, WPP, WR1, WR2, the proximity and to today's open, the proximity to yesterday's high, to yesterday's low, also how far price is away from the 200 MA. This can be the 200 EMA or the SMA depending on your trading preference, and it also gives you a snapshot of the current RSI readings. So what this matrix does, it will flag up a star. If we get a colour change, we get a star, and if you get a 3 or a 4 star colour change, then we will look at the price to see whether there is a trade there or not. Right. Also, Hypertech. Now, Hypertech are the world's largest, strongest, most diverse blockchain company on the planet. They consist of 5 now, separate companies, 2 of which are listed on the ASX. So this is a stock market listed opportunity. They have launched Hyperfund. Hyperfund will be listed on the Hang Seng at the end of 2022, and they are looking for members. Right now, membership of this group is extremely beneficial. Apart from the advantages of being granted share rights, the entire group is, well, you have to read my go to my website to read all about what Hypertech are and exactly what they do. This group is just enormous. They own, for example, they own 3% of Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. They also own one of the big 4 Chinese mines that produce 60% of all Bitcoin produced in the world. The list is endless. It's all on their website, and as I say, they are looking for members. And if you join Hypertech, they will reward you for being a member. What they're looking for, essentially, Ryan Zhu, who is the CEO and founder of Hypertech, he wants to spread the word about cryptocurrency, and he wants members. He wants 30 million members to spread the word on cryptocurrency. So an investment with Hyperfund is returned at 3 times its value. So send them $3,000, send them $1,000, they will send you back $3,000. Send them $300, they will send you back $900. They don't send it back straight away, of course. It's sent back over a certain period of time. But you can, in fact, add to your deposit. Once you deposit, you can do a rebuy. Every time you have $50 in your account, you can do a rebuy, and a $300 investment after 21 months is returned at $6,100. So check it out. The links are all below. Do not miss this opportunity. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will probably be gone by the end of 2022. So take advantage of this and seriously consider becoming a member of Hyperfund.